Welcome to DBA Workshop channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It would be awesome. Let's recap what we have discussed in the previous session. In the previous session, we have discussed how to enable a hyper-V. We have already created the virtual machine. We have learned how we export a virtual machine and how we import a virtual machine. Today we will discuss how we share the internet from your Windows laptop to the virtual machine. We will configure internal switch on the virtual machine and we will try to share the internet from your Windows laptop to the virtual machine. Let's start. First of all, we have to open the Hyper-V Virtual Manager, and there we have to see the machines running. And first of all, we have to go to the Actions tab. There we click on the Virtual Switch Manager. We could see the number of the virtual switches we have created. For example, the first switch we have created is also of an internal network, and second one that we call internet switch is also a connection type of internal network. We need internal network for this configuration. Then press Window R and type this command control.exe and name Microsoft.Network and Sharing Center. You can directly go to the Windows Network Sharing Center, or you may use Window R and run this command to open Microsoft Network Sharing Center and click on OK. Once this window will open up, click on the change adapter setting and you could see the internal switch we have created using Hyper-V is created over here. Right click on it, click on the IPv version 4 and you have to put the static IP over here. Leave the default gateway empty and you could use DNS server. Click on OK and cancel out from here. Now right click on your internet connection, that is your physical network of your laptop. Right click, open the properties, click on sharing. Make sure you check this checkbox, allow other network users to connect to this computer's internet connection. Cancel out from here. Again right click on the virtual switch we have created using Hyper-V. Go to the TCP IP version 4 and make sure you enter a static IP over here. You have to remember this IP. We will configure this IP in a virtual machine. Right now, navigate to the virtual machine where we want to configure the internet. First of all, click on the setting of that machine. Make sure you navigate to the network adapter and make sure you use the same network adapter that you have configured right now. Now navigate back to the network sharing center and make sure you have configured the configured Hyper-V network switch. Cancel out from here. Now we will connect to the virtual machine. Type ifconfig to see the network settings. You can also navigate to the wide connection icon on the top bar. Click on the wired network and then right click and click on the edit connection. Navigate to the IPv4. Make sure you provide the gateway or whatever the IP you have provided on the internet switch. That IP you have to configure it over here, and you have to provide the IP with respect to the gateway you have set. Let's see what IP we have provided for internal switch that we have configured using Hyper-V. Navigate to the Internet Protocol version 4 and note this IP. This IP we will be using as a gateway for the virtual machine, and we have to map this IP. We have to put the same IP in the gateway so that we can connect to this gateway from the virtual machine. Cancel out from here, enter the same gateway IP over here, and you have to provide the IP of the same series with respect to this gateway, and cancel out from here and try to ping this gateway so that it will confirm you whether you are able to connect to your Windows gateway IP, Windows machine IP. So that's why if you are able to ping, then you can configure it as a gateway. Cancel out from here. I'm ping google.com and here it is. Internet is working now. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it. It would be awesome. Thank you. Have a nice day.